Hey guys, it's your girl T. Today we do have Cynosure Hair here with us. Before we proceed, I do want to give you guys a quick disclaimer. Your hair will not come looking like this, okay? It will come more defined and all that good stuff. But sis was trying to record the unboxing and didn't push record. So I was running my hands through it and all that jazz. That's why it's underdefined and a little poofy. But I just want to let you guys know it won't come looking like that. But yeah, anyway, today I do have the 13x4 lace frontal wig. This is in the texture of deep wave. The inches on this unit is 22 and the density is 220%. We're going to start off by pushing the hairline back. I'm just going to use my Sleek and Sheen by Erika J. This is a heat protecting spray. And I'm also going to go in with her wax stick as well to push everything back. And then, you know, lastly, we got to go with the hot comb. Okay, we got to go in with the hot comb. So this is the bomb.com flawless hairline that Cynosure gave us, okay? But like I said, today we're doing a ponytail, and I want the ponytail to look as realistic as possible as I can get it, okay? So I'm just going in and using my tweezers to extend the hairline back just a little bit more. It's too full for my liking, so I'm just going to thin it out just a little bit more. Next, I'm going in with the Hold Me Down Adhesive Skin Guard. This is very, very crucial, okay? Especially if you're not using the ball cut method to protect your hairline before placing any adhesive on there. Make sure it's dry. It dries very quickly, but you can tell when it's dry. You can just put your finger up there. It's not wet. It's a little tacky. It's like a tacky feeling. Next, we're going in with her Hold Me Down Adhesive. I love this freaking adhesive. It dries quick and it just takes no time at all to apply your unit, so I really love it. I'm only going in with 2 layers, one thin layer, as you guys can see that I'm doing here, and then I'm going in with a thicker layer, okay? I'm not using Got2bglue because I feel like when I use that method, when I pull and tug on the hair to put it up into a ponytail, it lifts. And I don't got time to be out here in these streets with lifted laces. And nobody ain't coming for me or checking for me. So we're going to use an adhesive to be on the safe side. So, like I said, I'm just pushing it back using the back of a comb from my edge brush. And we're just going to do that. It dries quickly and you'll know when it's dry because it turns clear. But like I said, I'm doing another layer and it's a little bit thicker. But we're going to wait till that turns a little bit clear. I was in a rush, so I didn't wait till it all the way turned clear. But once it turns like semi-clear, I'm going to go ahead and lay it down. So as you guys can see, it's not all the way clear, but it's clear enough for me. I did cut the unit up into sections. I feel like this is definitely crucial to having that flawless ponytail. I wanted to make sure everything was laying down. Nobody was coming for me today. So I just wanted to make sure I cut the unit into sections, making sure each section was getting proper attention and care. I wanted to make sure everything was laid, okay? Next, I'm just cutting the excess lace off of the wig, and I'm also cutting in, you know, a jagged manner. I'm not doing straight blunt lines. I'm just doing zigzags, and you know, you don't want your ponytail looking too nice and neat, okay? So I'm also taking my contour shade and placing that on the hairline to, you know, just minimize the lace and the, you know, all that good stuff. So I just wanted to make sure it's blending into my forehead. So I'm taking some alcohol just to clean up around the hairline for, you know, for some of the dried up glue that I didn't get or I didn't need. And I feel like that is definitely helpful without, you know, lifting your entire lace. So y'all know what time it is. It's time for me to do some baby hairs. With this ponytail, I want to make sure that the baby hairs are going in a swoop way. I don't know how to explain it. I just want to make sure that the swoops are going upward into the ponytail. I guess you guys can see better than I'm explaining it. So I'm going to chill out with the talking a little bit and I'll be back. For my baby hairs, I just sprayed my edge brush with some Got2bglue hairspray. This definitely will have your hair looking laid and molded and just not going nowhere, sis. So I do use that to lay everything down. As you guys can see, I'm even going back and placing the Got2bglue on the hairline as well. So like I said, it's just better when you guys are watching than me trying to explain it because it don't make no sense. What you talking about, sis? I'm going to add some extra security, especially on the ends, and put some more Got2bglue spray up there. And I'm going to take my blow dryer on a cool heating setting. Do not put this on warm or hot. I'm telling you guys, it would turn white. I did that on the other side of the hair. I was like, sis, what is you doing? Okay, so just be very careful when using that Got2bglue because it can turn white on you real quick. So I seen some areas that looked it too full, so I took my fingers and started pulling out sections. If you guys are new to the plucking game, do not do that. Use your tweezers. They will be more of a friend to you than what I'm doing, okay? So yeah, like I said, it was too full, so I started just to thin it out just a little bit so it can look more realistic. Now I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, section this off. Now with units like this is not a full lace unit, so there is not going to be no part you need to make in the back. With a half up, half down style with a frontal, you're able to cover like the tracks that would show in the back just by using the ponytail portion that you're putting up on the top. So the top will hang low enough that it's covering anything that may be showing. But anyway, I just put it in a little bun for now so I can do my curly hair routine. To keep it out the way, I like to do my curly hair routine in sections, so I'm gonna split the back 2 sections in half and work on one section at a time. Be sure to detangle your hair before doing your curly hair routine. All the products that I use to do this and get my hair more defined will be listed in the description section below. Yeah, I put my scarf on while I did my curly hair routine so I can have my baby hairs laying and setting, okay? And also, your dim brush is your biggest friend, okay? Especially if you want a more defined type curl. I feel like it just locks in that curl pattern. Now, I did switch rubber bands because the black one was not tight enough, so I just used an elastic, you know, the elastic rubber bands. I took a section, brushed it out, and then I just wrapped it around that rubber band. So one, that wouldn't show because that's tacky, and two, I just like the wrap. That look, I just like this look that it gives. So I just keep wrapping that around the rubber band until there's like nothing left, and then it just stays in place. Like I don't put bobby pins or anything. I just keep wrapping, even when it's like 2-3 strands left. I'm still wrapping until I can't no more. So that's all I do there. So see, okay, that is it. Now we're gonna take this scarf back off, as you guys can see, and we're gonna work on the curly hair routine towards the ponytail section as well. I don't like them too defined, so when I do go in to dry it later on, you guys will see, I would just start, you know, separating the curls, because you don't want it not being able to look full in the back. But I wanted the defined look and not so defined, if that makes sense. But if you like the more poofier look, you could have left it like that without doing the curly hair routine. But yeah, so this is pretty much it, y'all. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment section below. I'm just going to give you guys a quick overview of my thoughts on this hair. Honestly, when I took the hair out of the package, it could have needed a cold washing. It just felt a little bit dry. But other than that, that would be the only con I had. It just felt a little bit dry. Also, when I went in for the first time to detangle the hair, I did get a little bit tangling here and there. I didn't have problems with this unit shedding like dramatically on me. I got the normal shedding that I would from any curly hair unit, but like I said, this could have used a co-washing before I actually installed it. But otherwise than that, y'all, as you guys can see, the hair speaks for itself. It's very, very pretty. I love it, and I'm just super excited on how this style turns out. So all the information in regards to this unit will be listed down in the description section below. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts, and until the next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.